fluffy ones. Start off by taking some gift wrapping paper, fold over the top and the bottom end to make it meet in the center, and now fold it into half. Folding over either side, press the sides together as such. Now reverse the side, fold the top and the bottom end over, and now slightly push the sides together as such. Lift the bottom end upwards, and then afterwards lift it and fold it into half. Press it downwards as such. Now afterwards reverse the side and then repeat the same step. Now press it together downwards, and then afterwards bring it together in the middle. Now slowly bend outside each of the longer edges of it and press it together as such. Lift it upwards, and then this is what you should be left with. Next, this will be the final look of our butterflies. Next, we'll start off by taking some gift wrapping paper, then fold it over into half and then make these diagonal folds to it. Now you should be flattening it out and left with this square shape. Make this diamond-like shape out of it, fold it over on either side, fold the top edge over downwards, and then afterwards puff it out ever so slightly. Make multiple of these and insert one into the other. Now after you've inserted all of them together, insert a cylindrical shape underneath it, and then you should be left with this umbrella-like shape. You may do this out of different colors, however this is the color that we have chosen. Start off by taking some gift wrapping paper, make it a square paper, and then fold it over diagonally on either end of it. Fold over two of the edges and then the other two to make it meet in the center, and now make a horizontal fold out of the top and the bottom end to make it meet in the center once again. Open these up and then make vertical folds to it. Repeat the same step. Open up two of the edges, and then afterwards, using the patterns that you have created yourself, begin to make this box-like shape out of it. Now afterwards, add handles to it. Take another sheet of paper, fold over all four edges to make it meet in the center. Fold over the top and the bottom end to make it meet in the center as well. Do this on all of the sides. Now open up two of the edges once again, make this box-like shape to it. Now fold it over, and then afterwards on the other side as well, fold it over, insert it into place, use it as a drawer. Finally, this is what you should be left with. Next, in order to make this, we'll start off by taking a square sheet of paper, fold it over horizontally and diagonally as such, make the square shape out of it. Fold over either edge of it to make it meet in the center, and now lift it up. Now fold the top over, and then do the same on the other side. Fold it either way, and then make these diagonal folds to it from the bottom. Using the patterns you've created, fold it over outside and leave it as such. Do the same on the other side and fold it over on either side. Take the top end and then fold it over to the bottom. Repeat the same step. Now, once you're done with it, push it towards the left side and then do the same on the right side. Now press it together as such in the center. Puff out the longer ends of it as such. Then this is what you should be finally left with. We'll start off by taking a sheet of paper, then afterwards fold it into half. Open it up and then fold it over vertically as well. Fold over the bottom portion of it and then refold it. Now afterwards, reverse the side and then fold it into half. Make sure it is a horizontal fold. Fold over either end of it to make it like a handle, and then afterwards fold the bottom edges over so that it is no longer sharp. Make a somewhat V shape out of the top as such, and then fold the top pointed edge downwards. Now press the center downwards, and then you should be left with this shovel-like shape. Thank you for watching.